Good evening, everyone. Today is Monday, the 7th day of July 2025. Yesterday, I watched with gladness the inauguration of Enugu Air. I was so happy to see that Enugu State now have their own airline, Enugu Air. It's something that people should embrace with happiness. When we see bad things happening, we don't hesitate to talk about it. So when we also see good things happening, we should also, be glad about it. There are good suggestions that I think is very important for the people of Old Eastern Region. Enugu was the capital of Old Eastern Region as far as Biafra land is concerned before. This airline, you see, if Ethiopian airline can fly from Enugu State to Europe, transiting in Ethiopia. If Ethiopia airline can fly from Enugu State, though it's not frequent, it's not always, but Ethiopia airline is the only airline that can fly from Enugu and just fly you to other country, though you must transit in Ethiopia. And a lot of Nigerians have been having issues in Ethiopia, recently. So this Enugu airline, it is very important thing to know that the Enugu State government under Peter Mba should do one thing. They should try their possible best not to make Enugu airline just like Ibom airline and other airlines who fly from Enugu to Abuja to Lagos. They should buy Airbus, buy a very good plane. If you don't have money, go and borrow. And make sure that you pursue through, Festus Kayamo for you to start flying, if possible, to America, to Europe directly. You will have customers. A lot of people want to be flying from Enugu, coming down from to Enugu if they are coming to the country. A lot of people want that, but you see, they have not been able to do that. I was expecting that the APs should be able to do that.
House of Assembly, that are representing Kano West.
But APs has not been able to do anything like that. And a lot of challenges that APs faced, I think Enugu State government will not face it because, government and private, something is totally different thing entirely. And if Enugu State will be able to walk it through, to start flying to America, to start flying to Europe, not just only to London, to other parts of the world, including China, Dubai, and different places, they are going to get free, advertisement. People are going to publicize it for them. Not just publicizing it, we are going to use it as well. A lot of people travel, from the southern part of the country, from the eastern part of the country, going to Lagos or Abuja first before they can, fly. Nigeria don't have roads. They don't have good roads. And sometimes if you want to fly abroad, just flying from Delta State to Abuja or Delta State to Lagos and then it's Anambra, Imo. Flying from there to Lagos is a little bit, expensive because when you compare it to the flight ticket you are using to fly to London, we see that it's almost half of the money. So what we are saying is that, this is a good thing and they should do it to the end. We don't want to hear that tomorrow this thing will just end like that. So I believe this is genuine and it should be supported. But this is what we want. This is what I would like the Enugu State to do without wasting time. Just start negotiating on how you will start flying, internationally. Believe me, you are going to have a lot of customers. If Ethiopia Airline can do this, you can do it.
This is the best of the best.
I know I'm live. I did live on Facebook. I did live. So today, Veli Enugu Air. When Peter Mba says that he's going to do something, this is
Monkey Dada, even the House of Assembly, member representing Kano West. The youngest even. Right over
idea, yes. In the next 4 years, Enugu is going to be transformed. So when I tell people to come and urge people to come here and invest, this is part of the reasons why we are telling everyone to come here and invest. A lot of things is happening in Enugu, and I am here live and direct to witness this unveiling. 2 jets, I think it's about 3 or 4, but what is here? Give me another one. So, everything is happening in Enugu at once. We are not yet there yet, but I am assuring you that Enugu is not going to is transformed already. So you are welcome to come and invest in Enugu, come and invest in this town, because we have so many potential here.
Please hold your PA responsible. Hold your PA responsible or SA or TA. Because as sporting from the 92 division Nigerian Army, a cooperative member personnel whom I will land you into any moment from now.
This is Akumwa. This is Akumwa. Promise Okoro. It is here. One of the top influencers in everywhere. I'm telling you. I will not be there, baby.